Well, I'm sure many of you out there will be very, very interested to see this gorgeous little wren, which Jean, who we are working for, has just been ringing. Look at that, it's absolutely beautiful little bird. And of course these are supposedly, not sure if they still are, but we used to be the commonest bird in the country, which was, you you don't see too many of these days. They dit around our gardens, and yeah, what a gorgeous little bird they are. Look at that. We're not sure whether it's male or female, are we?
You can't tell unless it's breeding season. Then you can look for the bits.
What a cracking little bird this wren is. As I say, they're supposed to be the commonest bird in the country, but of course they don't seem like that at times. But yeah, Jean, where we're working, doing our latest wildlife pond, has been bringing some birds. She's a qualified bird ringer, and it's great to see some of the birds coming out of the nest. We've had some goldfinches, haven't we? And
yep.
Goldfinches, lots of blue tits, a few great tits.
Chaffinch.
Chaffinch, yeah.
Blackbirds.
That song thrush, didn't you have the other day?
Had a song thrush this morning. Yeah.
Brilliant, yeah.
Chiff-chaff I had this morning.
Over in wintering, yeah. Which of course one or two of them do. A lot of them do migrate obviously, but one or two now overwinter, like with blackcaps. But I'll give you a last look at that for a little bird, hey? So I just thought today many of you would like to see what my good friend Jean, who is a qualified bird ringer, has got in the net. And it's this beautiful great tit, which is doing its very best to escape, hasn't it?
It was biting me before.
Yeah.
Stop doing that now.
So you may have remembered the little video I did previously on social media about the wren that we caught, wasn't it? It was a wren before, wasn't it? Yeah. And yeah, so Jean's a qualified ringer, and by ringing these birds, same as I did with the cuckoo that I was fortunate enough to find, that you may have seen on the channel already, it gives us a good idea if these birds are recaptured as to where they've been, how they've been faring, what distances they've travelled, and each ring has an individual number, doesn't it, Jean, for the legs?
Yep.
So, do you ever get notified of any birds? Birds that you
Yes,
get?
I've had a notification of a blue tit a couple of days ago.
Oh, lovely. Where was that caught?
It didn't go very far. About somewhere else in Hertfordshire, 2 or 3 kilometres. A lot of them just stay fairly close to home.
Yes, yeah.
But I had a blackcap last year that was ringed in France.
Oh, wow.
And that was nice to get.
Yeah, they are.
He's pretty well behaved now, isn't he?
He's doing very good, isn't he?
He's looking. He's worried.
Calm down a bit.
He's looking at you now. You see,
Yeah,
that's
right.
why he's not having to concentrate on my hand.
Exactly that.
So that's
So it's a male, isn't it? You can tell because they've got
a thicker neck
a thick,
band.
quite thick round the front.
Yes, thick there,
And that dark
and also
band.
down the bottom, which you can't see at the moment because my finger's in the way. Boy, stop it.
So have you just ringed this one, or is this one that's already ringed?
I have ringed it before. I've just taken it out the net now, and I shall take it along and process it, which means that I'll write the ring number down. If I catch it here, you can see perhaps the thickness of the band down the bottom.
Oh, yes.
That indicates that it's a male, as well as the fact that it's also the head's glossy.
Yes, yeah.
There as well.
Oh, I'll let you have your fingers back.
Yeah. Okay.
So thought you'd enjoy that. What a cracking shot. And you've also had some goldfinches this morning, haven't you, Jean?
I've had 8 goldfinches this morning.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, 8. And it's a pity you weren't here earlier to see at least one of them, which was absolutely...
You'll be ringing for, how much longer will you be ringing for?
Today?
Well, in general, this season, or do you ring all year?
All year, I do it all year.
Plenty more opportunities then.
Yeah, so there'll be all sorts of migrants in the summer.
Oh, fantastic. Look forward to that. More videos to follow. Stay tuned on that one.
Okay.
Thank you, Jean.
Okay, you're welcome. I'll take him back now and...
Yeah. Fantastic.